A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
You know, say, I know today or yesterday, people who start to follow Jesus decide, say, they might go turn back and they not follow him no more. But me would have asked the same question when special follower them did ask way back when. Say, how else we go? Who else can offer we where Jesus offer we? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you like this video and you want to make sure say other people see this video, just press the like button, the thumbs up, and share it with somebody. And of course, don't forget, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So, I God WOD this. Me go read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 6 from verse 60 to verse 71. After enough of Jesus follower them here, all the way did have to say, them say, it no easy if you take in way my teach say. I want hard sitting in my teach. Who can understand way my say? But through Jesus didn't know same follower them did I say them sitting there. Him said to them, say, what when me I say a bad no? Then what going to happen if you don't see the man where God go back where him did there before? The spirit will give people real life. People know what nothing. Them can't do it. And the spirit make me say when me they say to no. And where the spirit say, cause people have life. But somehow no believe. Jesus said then in here, cause from the start, him didn't know the one them when name trust in him. Plus the one where did I go turn him over to his enemy them. So on top of that, him say, and that make me tell you no say nobody can come to me if my father no give him the chance. From that time there, no fine follower them turn back and tap follow him. So him said to him 12 follower them say, oh no what left me to? Simon Peter answer him and say, Lord, who else we must go to? You have the message where cause people to live forever. We believe and know, say you are the only one where God send come. Then Jesus answer back and say, no 12 I want me pick, and still one I want are the devil own self. No, him did a talk about Judas, Simon Iscariot, boy picnic, who him know said did I go turn him over to him enemy them. And God WOD this. Thank God. And remember to subscribe to the channel so that we don't miss none of what I go on right here. So we work good and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.